What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia, and it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, and I'm super sorry about that, you guys. Yeah, I just been like in my chilling out and everything. I wish I could record more like in the day like of my life, but like literally I feel like it'd be like a little too boring for you guys and stuff. So I've just been chilling and just trying to listen to my body because I am preggo. I feel like I said that in every video that I am pregnant. But anyways, I have some cool things happening that I'm gonna link some stuff down below in the description bar. If you guys are in the California area, located near Palmdale, Quartz Hill, California, what else, Antelope Valley, or even LA, or you know, somewhere that's kind of closer to Palmdale, I have teamed up. I'm collabing with a photographer where I'm going to be doing someone's makeup for free, and the photographer is going to be doing a free maternity shoot. So if you are 30 weeks and up and you're interested in getting a maternity photo shoot giveaway for free, then go ahead and click on the description bar below. The link to my Instagram and all the rules and stuff are down there on how to enter. This giveaway will end December 1st, and the winner will be drawn on December 1st, and photo shoot will take place December 8th. So if, like I said, if you're located SoCal, Palmdale area, just those like little cities around there, and if you're pregnant, then go ahead and sign up because it's going to be such a beautiful thing. The photographer Paz will be listed as well, her Instagram down below, so please enter because it's like super special. Like, I know like getting pictures done and stuff are expensive, plus getting makeup done too. That can be pricey as well, so you're getting it for free, so you might as well sign up. Okay, so let's move on to today's video. It's November, it's Scorpio season. I'm a Scorpio, my birthday is Wednesday, woo! But since it's November, that means Boxycharm has released their box. I'm a little late, but that's okay. Here we are. I have my November Boxycharm. So honestly, I already looked at it, but for real, like I already forgot what's in it. Like, I don't know if it's pregnancy braid or what, but your girl already forgot what's in the box. So let's check it out. Let's see if we got the same things, or just let me know in the comment section what you got and if you like your products. So, and I feel like the more I talk, the more I get stuffy, which is so freaking annoying, and I can't breathe. So but anyways, this is the box. This month's theme is Stellar. It says right on here. And then it has a list of what we got in our Boxycharm. I'm just gonna start pulling some stuff out. So we did get a sample thing from Becca Cosmetics of foundation. I believe they're trying this out and stuff, and trying this out that way in future boxes they're gonna have full-size products. So that's pretty cool. So make sure you've taken that survey where it tells you, like, you know, you get to choose like which foundation you use and what shades match you. So this is pretty cool. This was, I think, just a freebie in here. So that's nice. We did get some brushes. Boxycharm did release their own brushes, so these are no other brand or anything like that. This is Boxycharm's brand, and it came in this cute little packaging. And if you just got the regular Boxycharm, you only got 2 brushes. If you got the next box, you got like, I think 5 and stuff. So so yeah, I just have the regular box, and then I have BoxyLuxe. So these Boxycharm 2-piece brush sets retails for $35. Here we have a foundation brush. It looks like, let's see. It says multi-purpose powder brush, perfect for liquids, so you can use this for your foundation and everything like that. And then the other one, more precise foundation brush, blah blah blah. Let's see. Really, honestly, looking at these, they're shaped so uniquely and stuff. Sorry about the lighting. The lighting's a little off, but yeah, I would use these for foundation. This covers up a lot of my face, and then this one I would focus this more on contouring for me specifically. Just contour the skin, everything like that. Super soft, really like that. Then we have the Dose of Colors. Who loves Dose of Colors? Because I absolutely love Dose of Colors, and I got the shade Nude Mood, and this is the packaging on the outside, and this retails for $18. It's a really pretty nude, kind of like almost like a pinky-ish, peachy nude. So this is the packaging. Oh, the light, I'm sorry guys. Really pretty packaging, love how it looks and stuff. Next thing that we got is 2 masks, morning and evening. The morning and evening, this is a mask set, so they both come together, and this is $12, so they're not that expensive. I believe one is just the top portion of the face and the other one for the bottom part of your face, so you just kind of like, you know, stick them on. So I haven't tried this. This is from Vitamasu's. Don't know how to say it. The name. Oh, that's a cute. Oh, Yep. Don't know how to say that, but you guys, hopefully this is good. I'm excited to try this because I love masks and just doing stuff for the skin. What else do we have here? Okay, and then in this Boxycharm, you were able to choose between two products. You only got one product from when you chose from those two. Hopefully that makes sense. I chose the Kypress. I have been using this at night. This thing retails for $99. Let me see. Yeah, no, this retails for 90 bucks, which is hella expensive, but I'm super excited that I got this in my Boxycharm and I was able to get it. And this is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So I've seen a few people, like YouTubers, use this and everything like that. So far, I really like it, but note to self, when you do put it on your skin, it does have like a tackiness to the skin. So I was like, oh, this is kind of sticky. Like, it's one of my first time using it and stuff. I'm like, this is a little sticky, but then you can feel like it going into like your skin and how silky smooth and hydrating your skin is. I absolutely love this product so much, but it's hella expensive, so good thing we got it in a Boxycharm if you chose that one. And I believe this is the last product we got. This is Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. This is exclusive to the Boxycharm, and this retails for $35. I have not tried her products, so I'm super excited to be trying this out and everything. So I just want to see how buttery and like just how the pigment is. But yeah, this palette is super duper pretty. And then you have your shimmers. You have your like pretty much your shimmers on top right here, and then you have your mattes on the bottom. Looks like there's one matte at the top. I'm really excited to play with this shade and like this one. Today we're gonna keep it pretty simple and stuff. But yeah, I love what I got in this Boxycharm, and I'm super excited for the next one for the month of December. So let me know what you guys got down below and everything like that. And I'm gonna do a quick through of using this palette and the Dose of Colors and the brushes and stuff on my face and this, because we look tired and like I need to cover some spots because I'm breaking out, and let's get to it. So today's foundation, I'm going with the Maybelline Urban Dream Urban Cover foundation, and my shade is 220. And we're just gonna keep everything pretty simple today. I'm just gonna apply this to my skin. And I am using the Boxycharm bigger brush. I feel like this is gonna cover more of my face. Let's see how this blends out. This brush is shedding just a tad bit. Okay, y'all, so this is the look that I came up with, something super simple and stuff. I do have to say, these brushes I'm not a big fan of because I could see some spots on my skin where I feel like the foundation isn't there. I thought the way that how packed it was, that foundation would just kind of just glide on. Could be maybe just the type of foundation I use, but usually with my other brushes I don't have issues with that. So I'm not a really big fan of the bigger one. The smaller one, it's okay. Almost the same thing. I feel like it takes away more product, almost like a beauty blender, which is super duper weird. So I would say that I wouldn't use these again, so that's kind of a bummer, but that's just my preference of using those brushes, how my skin looks. Like I'm gonna have to go back and kind of fix my foundation because I do have an appointment today, so I don't want to be looking all crazy and stuff. But on my lips, I did use a dose of colors. It's called Nude Mood, and it's more of, once it sets, it's more of a pinky-ish nude. So it's a little bit out of my comfort zone and stuff. Still pretty shade and everything like that. I think I would prefer me going with an even darker lip liner, just to have more contrast and stuff. But since it did settle in, it doesn't look too bad with the eyeshadow, pairing them together and stuff. But I'd probably either go with a darker lip or just a lighter nude, because pink, I feel like pink isn't always such, like, I feel like pink isn't really like my color like that. But good formula, love dose of colors, so that's great that, you know, I still can use that you know, again and stuff. Now, the one that I think stole the show compared to the Kybers, because this is like the best thing ever, but the Celestial Thunder, the two shades that I did use was Lunar Eclipse, which I went in with my crease, and then Storm Dust, which I went in on my lid and stuff. So I would have used the blue and stuff maybe for a later tutorial, or like just, you know, yeah, for a later tutorial and stuff. But I really want to use Mystic Ice for another day, so stay tuned if you want to, you know, see me use this palette again. Give me a big thumbs up on that if you're interested. And yeah, you guys, I feel like some of the stuff with Boxycharm is always a hit or a miss, so I'm not too mad about this month's Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed today's video and everything like that. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and just like this video and comment something down below. What you got in your Boxycharm, if you like it, what were your hits and misses with it, if you have any, and as well as be sure to subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. We're almost to 400 and I'm super excited. I feel like I say that when I'm like really excited like for real, you guys. So subscribe to my channel and I will see y'all on in the next video. Bye guys.